Did you know that Dubai is home to the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, standing at a staggering 828 meters? Welcome to the city of superlatives, the city of gold, the city of dreams, Dubai. This global city, nestled on the southeastern coast of the Persian Gulf, has emerged as a major player on the international stage, known for its modern architecture, luxury lifestyle, and world-class infrastructure. From being a humble desert town to a thriving metropolis, Dubai's transformation is nothing short of remarkable. This city is a testament to human ambition and ingenuity, where the sky is not the limit but a playground. Marvel at the awe-inspiring skyscrapers piercing the clouds, bask in the opulence of its luxury hotels, and get lost in the bustling souks brimming with gold and spices. Dubai, a city where the future meets the past, is waiting for you to explore. Dubai is not just about skyscrapers, there's much more to explore. Let's embark on a journey to discover some of the top places that make this city the gem of the Middle East. First stop, the Burj Khalifa. Standing tall at over 828 meters, it's the highest structure in the world. This architectural marvel offers panoramic views of the city and beyond from its observation decks. It's not just a building, it's a symbol of Dubai's ambition and sky-high dreams. Let's fly over to the Palm Jumeirah, the world's largest man-made island. This palm-shaped marvel is home to luxury villas, high-end hotels, and gourmet dining outlets. It's an oasis of opulence, where you can bask in the sun, dip into the azure waters, or dine under the stars. Next, we're off to the Dubai Mall, a shopper's paradise. This mall is not just about retail therapy, it's a whole world of entertainment. With over 1,000 stores, a gigantic aquarium, an indoor theme park, and even a waterfall, you'll run out of time before you run out of things to do. Let's step back in time at the Dubai Museum. Housed in the Al Fahidi Fort, the oldest existing building in Dubai, the museum showcases the city's journey from a small fishing village to a global metropolis. It's a treasure trove of history, offering a glimpse into the rich heritage and culture of this desert city. Finally, we'll float down the Dubai Creek. This saltwater creek holds the city's historical heart. A traditional Abra ride offers views of the old trading ports and the age-old architecture of the city. It's a serene experience that contrasts with the bustling city life. Each corner of Dubai offers a unique blend of tradition and innovation, making it a must-visit destination. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime in this city of dreams. Dubai is a playground for adventure enthusiasts. Let's start with dune bashing, a heart-pumping activity that will take you speeding across the golden sands of Dubai's deserts. Imagine yourself in a powerful 4x4 vehicle, climbing up and cascading down the towering dunes. Feel the adrenaline rushing through your veins as the landscape shifts beneath you. It's an incredible roller coaster-like experience, only with sand instead of steel tracks. Next, let's take to the skies. Skydiving in Dubai is not just about the thrill of free-falling from over 15,000 feet, but it's also about the breathtaking view. As you plummet towards the earth, you get a bird's-eye view of the city's iconic skyline, the azure waters of the Arabian Gulf, and the vast expanse of the desert. It's a sensory overload of excitement and awe that is hard to match. If you prefer to keep your feet closer to the ground, camel riding offers a unique and fun way to explore the desert. Feel the rhythmic sway of the ship of the desert as you traverse the undulating dunes. It's a throwback to an age-old Bedouin tradition and a fantastic way to connect with the region's history. Desert safaris are another must-try. Embark on a journey that takes you deep into the heart of the desert, where you can witness the raw beauty of nature and enjoy traditional Bedouin hospitality. Experience a spectacular sunset, followed by a night under the stars, complete with a bonfire, traditional music, and dance. It's an intoxicating blend of adventure and culture. And finally, for those who love water, the Aquaventure Water Park is a splash-filled paradise. With its thrilling slides, lazy rivers, and a host of aquatic creatures, it's a place where fun and excitement reign supreme. Feel the rush as you slide down the near-vertical leap of faith, or chill out on the tranquil waterways of the lazy river. Dubai's thrilling activities promise an unforgettable adventure that will leave you wanting more. Dubai's culinary scene is as diverse as its population. A gastronomic adventure awaits you in this cosmopolitan city, where you can sample delicious local delicacies and global cuisines. Start your culinary journey with shawarma, a popular Middle Eastern dish. Tender, marinated meat is slow roasted to perfection, thinly sliced and then wrapped in warm, fluffy bread. It's a comforting taste of local culture in every bite. Next, get a taste of tradition with Al Haris. This classic Emirati dish, typically enjoyed during Ramadan and Eid, is a hearty combination of wheat and meat, slow-cooked until they meld into a creamy, porridge-like consistency. And for a truly unique treat, try the camel milk ice cream. This delightfully smooth and creamy dessert, with just a hint of saltiness, is a must-try in Dubai. But the culinary delights in Dubai aren't just limited to local dishes. Thanks to its multicultural population, you can find a world of flavors here, from Indian to Italian, Japanese to Mexican. Dubai's food scene is a gastronomic journey that will tantalize your taste buds. Dubai, a city of superlatives, offers an unforgettable journey. It's the land where the impossible becomes possible, where the tallest buildings reach for the sky, and where cultures from around the world converge to create a vibrant, diverse community. We've explored the must-visit places, from the awe-inspiring Burj Khalifa to the bustling souks and the tranquil Jumeirah Beach. We've delved into the thrilling activities that Dubai has to offer, whether it's sandboarding in the vast Arabian desert, diving into the rich marine life of the Persian Gulf, or soaring above the city in a hot air balloon. And let's not forget about the culinary delights. From the traditional Emirati dishes like haris and majbouz to the international cuisines available at every corner, Dubai promises a gastronomic adventure. So, pack your bags and gear up for an incredible journey to Dubai. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides. Safe travels!